Hello friends, air conditioning is good or bad for kids? Number 1, positive effect. AC produce cooling environment which gives good quality sleep and reduce the risk of heat stroke or heat exhaustion. Number 2, negative effects. AC produces dry air which circulate allergens and irritants that causes exacerbation of asthma or allergies. Overuse of AC can lead to growth of bacteria and molds which increases the risk of infection and weaken immune system. Dependency on AC can cause discomfort to the surrounding natural temperature. So how to use AC in daily practice? Maintain temperature between 22 to 27 degrees Celsius according to the surrounding temperature. Use humidifier to moisture the dry air to reduce the circulation of allergen and irritants. Proper cleaning and maintenance of AC can be necessary to reduce the risk of growth of bacteria and molds. Limit the usage of AC to necessary times and encourage child to spend some time in outdoors in natural temperature.